Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus from canned chickpeas. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, and 1 clove of garlic. Begin by draining and thoroughly rinsing the canned chickpeas under cold water. This step helps remove excess sodium and improves the hummus's texture. Next, prepare your food processor, ensuring it's clean and ready for blending. Now combine the rinsed chickpeas, tahini, fresh lemon juice, and the minced garlic clove into your food processor. For an extra creamy texture, add about 2 tablespoons of very cold water to the mixture. This helps create a lighter, fluffier hummus. Process all the ingredients on high speed, scraping down the sides as needed, until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once your hummus is smooth, it's time to season it perfectly. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Taste the hummus and adjust the seasonings to your preference. You might want a bit more lemon juice for tang or additional salt. Transfer the finished hummus to a serving bowl. Garnish with a generous drizzle of good quality olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika for color and flavor. To store your delicious homemade hummus, transfer any leftovers into an airtight container. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making it perfect for meal prep throughout the week. Always ensure it's refrigerated promptly to maintain its freshness and prevent any spoilage. Enjoy your creamy, flavorful hummus with pita bread, vegetables, or as a spread. Also, remember to check the description below for a fantastic book about money and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.